and check for any contradictions on the client's hand before starting the treatment. Do you have any special needs or require any reasonable adjustment in this assessment procedure? Okay. If not, I will now distribute the competency assessment agreement sheet. Please read the instruction and assessment agreement sheet. Please read the instructions carefully and answer all the questions outlined and the documents, all included this. Here. May I have this? So, you are now inside the assessment room. Please familiarize yourself with the materials, tools, and equipment available for you here. Here. Using the materials, tools, and equipment, on your workstation, you are required to perform the hand spa procedure on your client within a maximum of 2 hours. I will be observing you while you are performing the task using the observation techniques. After your demonstration, I will ask you some questions related to your demonstration and underlying theory. You may call me if there is a need for me to translate or explain items for clarification, but not for guidance on the procedure itself. After the questioning portion, I will give you feedback about your performance. Any questions or clarifications? If there are no more questions, you may start now. hours